Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is how to overcome a writer's block. And I've bifurcated it into three simple steps so that you can reignite your creativity and get words on paper or flowing again. So let's begin. The first step is to free write. You just have to put thoughts on paper. Whatever is coming in your mind, you just write it down, and it doesn't matter whether it's correct or wrong or making any sense or not. You just have to write anything that is coming in your mind onto paper. You can set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and write anything that comes to your mind. No editing, filtering, or judging. You just have to keep your hands moving. This breaks the self inflicted pressure and tricks your brain into generating raw ideas. And this will greatly impact and help you overcome your writer's block. This is the first step. The second step is to change your environment or routine. If you wake up at early in the morning and start writing, then you can transfer this to some other time of the day whenever you are more fresh or whenever your mind is more activated. For example, you can shift the location as well. Shift to a different room where there is silence and everything else. Anything that facilitates your writing ability. You can also use voice to text or scribble by hand. And this works because a change in scenery or method disrupts stagnant patterns and stimulates fresh thinking. These small changes can make a huge impact in the long run. Let's revise. The first step is to free write, to silence your inner critique, and then you can change your environment or routine. And then you can break it down into micro tasks. It's not important to write the whole paragraph or the whole essay in one go. You can break it down, write smaller chunks, and these smaller chunks are easier to handle and tackle. Focus on writing just one sentence, a single paragraph, or bullet points instead of a full draft. Tell yourself, I'll just start here. You can come back and restart from where you left. If you're in an overwhelmed state, then it facilitates a writer's block. Tiny achievable goals fuels the momentum, and it also makes the task more manageable and achievable. To summarize everything up, you have to free write anything that comes to your mind, and then you have to change your environment. Wherever you're located or situated, you have to change the environment or the time of the day that you are most productive in and break it down into micro tasks or smaller chunks. So this way you can easily break the writer's block and start writing again. You have to understand that there is no one fixed pattern that may work for everyone. Something might work for you, it might not work for everyone else. So you have to identify the steps that are working for you and you have to double down on the steps, retake the steps, and eliminate the things that do not work for you. If you're still finding it difficult to overcome writer's block, then you can read something else that is not related to your project and come back to your project after reading that excerpt or article or book. You can also try a writing sprint, 25-minute focused burst with a timer. You can also use the Pomodoro timer and keep it by your side. Try and focus on writing for 25 minutes and then take a break and then again start writing after the 5-minute break. A writer's block often stems from a fear of perfection. You want to be perfect all the time in your writing as well. That's not possible. So you get afraid and you internalize the feeling that your writing won't be perfect. So you have a fear of writing and you get stuck. So if you understand your writer's block, why you're not writing the way you used to, this video can be helpful for you. And inshallah, I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.